After a snowfall, the shoveling must begin. Before the sun even rises, and often when the snow is still falling, Ramsey's public works crew is hard at work clearing the way for folks to get where they need to go. We tagged along with Jake Marks after a recent storm and learned more about the trucks that move those tons and tons of snow.
On a full plow, typically probably you're driving about 100 miles a day. Usually we can use our belly blades when there's about 3 inches or less. Any more, then we'll want to put the front plow on. Here's all your plow controls. So your front plow, your up and down, your wing, and then your belly blade and push arm, which you can extend your wing out. And then to lift your box up, tip some salt back, you press and move this one up and down.
Ramsey's fleet of 10 snowplows works hard to clear 190 miles of roads within the city. With roads often taking multiple passes to clear, that equates to plows driving over 1,000 miles following a heavy snowfall event. So the next time you don't get stuck in the snow, be sure to say thank you to the crew that makes it possible.